Hey everybody, I was just on YouTube watching some instruction videos on how to change a light bulb in a GX470 Lexus, and a lot of them showed how easy it was, and it really wasn't as easy as one would think. The show the hoods being popped, the housings being unsnapped and removed, and removal of one even had a removal of the battery. So I've got a short video here that will show you how to do it without even opening the hood. I want to show you the got a 4X GX470 2006, and it is the driver right turn signal. That's out. Now, yes, some of them will say pop the hood, open the housing. This turn signal right here. But guess what? You don't have to. What I've done already is change the bulb to show it to you. This is where the replacement bulb is. That's correct. And this is the burnt out bulb. What you can do, however, rather than going through the top, popping the hood and the housing and removal of the battery, because you want to change this lamp, you reach underneath the bottom. Lay something down, blanket, pad, or something for you to reach up underneath. What you do is you just go underneath the vehicle. I'll show you through a flashlight here. You can see the light fixture right there. You can see it in its red and white power lines. You just reach your arm right up inside there. The gray plastic housing has a tab at the top. You can twist it 1/4 revolution counterclockwise. It will pull straight back and allow you to pull it down. You can, of course, reach both your arms up to hold the housing. Counterclockwise, twist the bulb out of the socket. Reinsert the new bulb. Clockwise into the circuit, gently putting it in there. And then put the housing right back in its piece. And you can see it right here. I'm illuminating it very, very brightly. You place it right back in the housing and turn it 1/4 clockwise to secure it back into position. That's much easier than taking out the battery and the housing, popping the hood. That's the piece right there. So, just make sure you got something nice and comfortable to lay on. And that's it.